Nakita niyo ba yung post ni Vice Ganda sa kanyang IG? May letter galing kay Bam at Team Aquino. At sabi doon, you are the super diva force to reckon with. Thank you for inspiring us to be brave and bold. Wait lang ha? Honest question lang. Kailan naging bravery ang pambabastos sa kapwa? Brave ba yung manira ka gamit ang punchline? Brave ba yung mag-down ka ng tao sa harap ng libu-libong audience? Tapos tawagin nating inspiring. Para sa akin, bravery is standing for truth. Kahit wala kang fans club. Bravery is fighting for what is right kahit hindi uso. Bravery is lifting people up, not stepping on them for the clout or laugh. Yes, comedy is part of culture. Pero sana wag nating ihalo ang pambabastos at tapang. Kasi kung insult comedy na ang basihan ng pagiging brave and bold, baka mali ang values na tinatapakan natin as people. Mga ka-DDS, bravery is not burning others people down. It's about being the light na magbibigay inspirasyon. Okay?